Why do we yawn when we see another person yawn? Yawning is contagious. This natural response happens when we see others yawn, making us reflexively yawn too. Contagious yawning. Linked to social bonding and empathy, it connects us by silently mimicking others. Key facts about contagious yawning. More common in social animals like humans. Helps synchronize group behavior. Possibly regulates brain temperature. Seeing a yawn activates neural pathways causing mimicry, building empathy and social connections. Yawning's benefits. It cools the brain and improves alertness, explaining why yawns spread quickly in groups. Emotional connection. Contagious yawning is stronger among people who are emotionally close, showing empathy levels in relationships. Summary. Contagious yawning shows how social cues affect our bodies. It's a natural way to bond and stay alert in groups. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's more than just tiredness, it's a connection in your brain.